The Drop Zone welcomes you yet again. You know, sometimes I think Fem Foodies is a game of dice. It's like a game of Ludo. These twists and turns are relentless, aren't they? But trust me, they'll only make you stronger. We want you to be able to face all and any heat that a professional kitchen can throw at you.
Ladies, this is not an elimination challenge, so there is hope. So 3 of you will be coasting, and 3 of you will be going from the frying pan into the fire.
Akanksha and Megha, please.
Megha, great dish, but probably a little too complicated. Akanksha, great dish, but probably a little too simple. Thank you. Ipsita, tried to make a sushi, didn't really go your way, although the flavors were excellent. Chitwan, the jala roti was the star. But could the chicken curry stand up to it? We'll find out. On one side, Tanisha, we had a poha that was made into a nice crisp. And on the other side, we had a poha that was made into a nice filling mash. Which poha won the battle?
Tanisha, Ipsita, and Akanksha, please step down.
Vision, technique, and expression. That's all we were looking for. We were looking for a dish that would make us feel that this was week 5, that we've moved on. As simple as that. Tanisha, Ipsita, Akanksha, please get ready for the next task. You're taking on the next task as cheerleaders, because you're safe and coasting.
That was a sigh of relief for me, and it felt really good to be able to compete with a strong competitor and be able to surpass her flavors on the plate.
Juhi, Chitwan, Megha. Honestly, I did not expect to see this combination here. But you know what? The kitchen fire never lies. Remember, this is Fem Foodies. You cook solo, you serve solo, and you survive solo. Well, there are times, aren't there, when we have to fight solo in the kitchen or in our lives. Let's see what surprises are in store for these gorgeous ladies right here on Bertolli Presents Fem Foodies riding on Suzuki. We will see you again very soon. Take care.